Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we are showcasing the Safety Zone Closing Kit from OnGuard. This is a winterization kit that is used specifically for safety-covered in-ground pools. It can work with any sanitation system like chlorine, bromine, salt, or Baquicil. It includes a borate floater, a winter algaecide, a stain and scale preventer, and a phosphate control. To use, make sure your pool is clean and clear of debris and is balanced properly. Then add all of the liquids directly to the water and allow to circulate. Next, you'll want to punch holes in the borate floater and fill with water, then place the flotation device around it and allow it to float in your pool. Finally, you'll cover your pool and you're all set. For any other questions, please call any of our 3 locations or stop on in. Thanks for watching.